Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to adjust windshield wipers, full guide. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass and inspecting the blade for damage or debris. Replace if torn. Next, verify the wiper sits square to the windshield when lowered. If alignment is off, slightly bend the arm at the pivot using steady pressure. Test wipe pattern, repeat small adjustments until streaks are gone, and tighten any loose fasteners carefully. Remove old blades if they are cracked or leave streaks, and measure length to match replacements from the store. Lift the arm and unclip the blade following the arm's tab or button release. Slide the new blade into place until a click confirms it is secure, then lower the arm gently to avoid snapping the spring. Finally, run the wipers with washer fluid to confirm even, streak-free contact across the windshield. If the blade edge does not meet the glass evenly, adjust the arm angle carefully to restore uniform pressure. Hold the base steady and apply controlled pressure near the hinge to tweak the tilt by small increments. Reposition and test wipe coverage after each adjustment to avoid overcorrecting. Keep adjustments minimal since wiper arms can fatigue. If the spring no longer holds tension, replace the entire arm assembly for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.